Today's Google Classroom assignment says Google Drawing in Google Slides. This is part 3. Learn and practice the drawing tools in Google Slides. This week, learn about text boxes. Remember to watch the video, then open up your work. Open your work. Over the past few weeks, we've been learning to draw shapes. A shape that holds words is called a text box. You're looking at a text box right now. It says click to add title. Take your mouse and click. What you see blinking is called a cursor. It helps us as we type. I'd like you to type your first name. Type just your first name. Find the keys, then press them, one at a time. Then hit the long space bar on the bottom of your keyboard. Nice job. This, again, is a text box. We're going to be making text boxes on the next few slides to answer some questions. I know you'll do fine. Let's go to the next slide. Slide 2. Slide 2 says, how many houses do you see? I can see one house. I need to answer the question using a text box. The text box tool looks like this. I'm pointing at the text box tool. It has a T with a box around it. I'm going to click it to turn it on. I'm going to take my mouse and make a square, just like I did in the previous lessons. Click and hold and drag to make my square. Then I'm going to let up. Again, do you see that flashing bar? That's the size of the writing. It's very small. I'm going to use the plus sign to make my size get bigger. Find the plus sign on your toolbar and click it. Can you make it go up to size 30? Nice job. Now, can we answer the question? How many houses can you see? I can see one house. Find the 1 on your keyboard. Press it one time. Nice job. You answered the question. Now go on to slide 3. How many frogs can you see? I can see 2 frogs. Find the text box tool. Again, it looks like a T with a box around it. Click it to turn it on. Just like you would to make a square, click and hold and drag to make my square. Let's increase the size once again. Use the plus sign and make it size 30. Size 30 is 30. Nice job. How many frogs can you see? I see 2 frogs. Good job. Let's go to the next slide. Slide 4. How many cars can you see? I see 3 cars. Find the text box tool. Again, make a square. Click and hold and drag. Use the plus sign to make your size larger. Make it size 30. 30. Nice job. How many cars can you see? Type 3. Good job. Let's go on to the next slide. Remember, slide down and find slide 5. Use the text box tool. It looks like a T with a box around it. Click it, then make a square. Click and hold, then drag. How many pigs can you see? I see 4 pigs. Remember, bump up the size to size 30. Now type 4. Find 4 on your keyboard, press it 1 time. Let's go on to the next slide. How many balls can you see? I see 5 basketballs. Make a text box. Click and hold and drag. Use the plus sign. Make it size 30. Type 5. Good job. Keep going. Slide 7. How many ladybugs can you see? I see 6 ladybugs. Use the text box tool. Make a square. Increase the size. Type 6. Next slide is slide 8. How many bags can you see? I see 7. Use a text box. Click and hold and drag. Increase the size. Type 7. You got it. Go to the next slide. How many bees can you see? I see 8 bees. Nice job. You remembered the steps. Type in 8. Now go to the next slide. Ooh, how many ice creams can you see? I see 9. You're right. Text box. Click and hold and drag. Increase the size. Type in your answer, 9. Now go to slide 11. How many mushrooms can you see? I see 10 mushrooms. Use the text box tool. Click with one finger, drag with the other. Increase your size. Then type your answer, 1, 0. You've got it. Let's see what else I have. Go to slide 12. Can you fill in the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're right. Use the text box tool. Click and hold and drag. Increase the size. Type in your answer. Good job. Go to slide 13. What's missing here? 6, 7, 8. Use the text box. Click and hold and drag. Bump up the size. We can go higher than 30. Let's try 50. Type in your answer. Nice job. Last slide is slide 14. Can you make text boxes to fill in the numbers 1 all the way through 10? Remember, each time use your text box. Increase the size. Try size 50, 60, or maybe even 70. Type in your answers. I'll be anxious to see. Good luck with this week's assignment, and I'll see you next time.